My name is Tariq. For many years, I lived in a big, busy city. My life was very fast. I was always worried about work, traffic, and noise. I felt tired all the time. I wanted to change. I wanted to hear the sounds of nature instead of cars and sirens. 7 years ago, I made a big choice. I moved to a forest with a simple wooden cabin. I left my old life behind and moved to the woods. Living in the forest is very different from living in a city. It is hard work, but I enjoy it. My day starts when the sun comes up. In the morning, I wake up to the sound of birds. The first thing I do is get fresh water from the nearby stream and light the fire in my wood stove. I spend my days taking care of my home. I chop wood to keep the fire going. I work in my garden to grow vegetables like carrots and potatoes. Sometimes I walk through the forest to see the animals. When the sun goes down, it gets very dark and very quiet. I read books by the light of a lamp or just sit on my porch and listen to the wind in the trees. Visitors often ask me if I am lonely. The answer is no. I have the trees, the animals, and the quiet. In the city, I was surrounded by people, but I still felt alone. Here, I feel connected to the world around me. I have learned a few important things from living here. Nature is patient. Nothing in the forest rushes. Trees take years to grow. I have learned to slow down, too. I can do more than I thought. I built my own furniture and fixed my own roof. I am stronger than I was before. Simple is better. I do not need many things to be happy. I only need food, warmth, and a quiet place to sleep. The forest has taught me how to be calm. I do not miss the busy streets or the loud noises. I have learned that life about enjoying the small things like the smell of rain or the color of the leaves in autumn. I am happy here. This forest is my home, and for the first time in my life, I feel truly at peace.